Basag yung ano.
Hey guys, nandito kami ngayon sa US. Ayan, Pavilion.
Pumapara-paraan naman.
Ayan. So ayan, pasok na kami. At good thing na meron kaming smart queue. Ang bilis namin nakapasok.
And at work in our nation and our world every day. Moving forward throughout the world, we will work to build food and farming and chart the course for a better life and a brighter future.
It's like the whole outside.
We continue to chart new courses to make the impossible possible as we strive to create a more perfect liberty and the pursuit of the future. Access to information has created a new world that continues to change the way we live, conduct business, and envision tomorrow. Alexander Graham Bell's telephone single-handedly changed the language of human contact, along with our perception of the modern world, bridging distances that had once kept us separated. At the 1893 Chicago World's Fair, Nikola Tesla illuminated the world as audiences witnessed a new technology, the alternating current, another American invention that now electrifies our world. Modern mobility arrived when the Ford Motor Company revealed the Model T assembly line. The car was now within reach from many, bringing the world closer to their home. Mobility was dramatically expanded by the emergence
Mga
of
tao
the
dito sa side natin, mga tamad.
and it changed our perspective of the world below as it became more affordable, resulting in a world in which we more readily impacted one another. The dawn of the space age brought new perspective. The Saturn V rocket
Zipline's mission is that where you live should not determine whether you live. We're trying to build a first logistics system to serve
creating new and sustainable industries that mobilize society toward a better tomorrow. It's the job of expensive weather satellites. Or is it?
Space to help mitigate some of the greatest challenges that we
Exploring the Martian surface for 17 uninterrupted years, and our ongoing exploration.
Journey to Mars, where it eventually landed in 2021.
Ano to? Disney World.
SpaceX yung ano, Elon Musk.
Grabe ang init! So that's all for my vlog mga palangga, and see you on my next vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!